How to add Google Maps in Wix Studio. To do that, just head over here to your embed in social and then choose in here this embed code option from this list. Now just head over and then drag this embed code into any part of the website that you want it added. Now it should be able to be added right here. Now once it's been added, you can head over right here again to our Google Maps. As you can see in here, it prompts us to enter the code. So what we can do is we can head over right here to our Google Maps. And then from in there, just choose the particular location that we want. For example, we have in here this. So just head over and then click on that. And then from in there, scroll down and you can see some more infos. What you can do is you click on the share option. Then click on this embedded map. And then you can choose in here the size. It can be medium, small, large, and the likes. I'll choose small and click onto this copy HTML. And once it's been copied, let's head back right here to our Wix website and click onto this enter code. Now from in there, just paste in here the code that we have copied on Google and then click onto this update option in order to update this. Just wait for a few seconds until the Google Maps appears right here. So that's how you add Google Maps in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.